Okay, so I'm going to do an unboxing today. I decided not to go live because Facebook is deleting lives and there's a bunch of craziness going on with that. So I decided just to make it a video and see how this goes. So let me know if you like this too. Because I don't want this, video to be deleted. That's crazy. But yeah. Okay, so I got my order for February. It's been a while and some of these things are empty boxes because, well, we've already been getting into it. But I had some of these like the stash ready to go and I never got to show you. So I wanted to show you what a February order looks like for a consultant, because this is actually things like I'm billing myself for my products for me and for my family, me and my husband, and for you all. Okay, so things like that for my inventory. Okay, so let's start off with sanitizers. So how have you been liking your sanitizers? If you ordered from me in January and in February, because of the sicknesses going around, I threw a free sanitizer into your order without letting you know. So that was a little surprise. Let me know how you're doing. I ordered 4 of these because these go out so quickly. You guys, we use these. Hadara orders hers because she's a Mary Kay consultant, so she makes her own order. But definitely loving the sanitizers. Okay, they're so good, fragrance free, they easy, they fit in the car, they fit in the purse, they fit everywhere. All right, so I did get some more translucent powder in. This translucent loose powder, you guys are loving it. I cannot keep it off my shelves. Like I said, it's the best powder. If you need a Mary Kay loose powder, or you're looking for a mineral powder or any of those kind of things, that's the one you want, translucent. It's good for every single skin color. We also got some new Mary Kay refinishing spray. The finishing spray is amazing. Get your makeup looking great. This is also for my inventory, because I ran out of very light Mary Kay. This is very light CC cream, light to medium. So a lot of you are light to mediums. So I got another one of those for my inventory to fill that out because I was out. Oil-free eye makeup remover. We cannot live without that, along with another micellar water. And these actually are for me because I needed those in my life. And then I had a man order, which was my brother, and he wants to look good in his 40s. So I got to get another one of these to replace the one that was sold, the MK Men face wash. So good. If your man is not on it, you need to get him on it. Okay, now did you know that Mary Kay has loofahs? Yeah, I know. So Mary Kay has products, but we also have this thing called Section 2 where you can actually get things that are not like products, but things that you can use that for yourself or gifts or free gifts, or you can sell them too. But love these. I always throw one of these loofahs in. These are bar none the best, and they're like sanitary because when you go to the store, they're all loose, so it's kind of gross. These are nicely packaged, and I love that they're white, so they're aesthetically pleasing. They'll go with any bath or bathroom decor. Also, I love to throw these in when you get a bath and body set, like the body and the body lotion and the shower gel. I love to throw one of these in for free. So yeah, did you know that? You don't know until you order, right? And then guess what? I have the new Mary Kay mascara. You're not going to be I'm like, look, are you kidding me? Are you not going to be kidding me? Are you not kidding you? This is it, ladies. I'm going to be doing a video separate of this, but look how pretty this is. It's like a pink. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. It's a pink with black packaging, and you need to see what it looks like. Look at how sleek this is. It's so pretty. Okay, it's pink and black letters. So just so elegant and elevated. I love it. So I'm gonna open one for you. I already opened one actually, so I'll be doing that demo with you soon. And I'm using it right now and I'm really loving it. I only have 1 coat, but when you do the 3 coats, boom, you will see the lift and the volume. I love it. This is like the new Mary Kay favorite for everyone. now. So if you're a customer on the old one, you might want to try this one. Let me know. I'm ordering them, so I'll get you going. And then always needing the time-wise antioxidant moisturizer, because no kidding, right? You always needing that. And we still have time, so we have a few days left. If you need skincare, join my challenge, and anything of a skincare set you buy will go towards the Mary Kay challenge. We're trying to sell a lot of skincare sets. I mean, a bazillion of them. And if you get yours right now, it'll count for our challenge Mary Kay has for the whole company, actually, and all the sales force. It's so exciting how Mary Kay makes these challenges. And then also one last thing, eye color, crystalline. We love this color. It's so pretty. It's like a shimmer white. It looks so good with all of your highlighting. So love this color. And that's everything. My box is empty. So hope you like that unboxing. Let me know which one was your favorite. If you need anything, let me know. I'm here for you. And looking forward to seeing you again unboxing for March soon.